viewers, today let us learn about sequencers of Allen Bradley and RSlogix 500. Open RSlogix for configuring drivers and establishing communication. Now open RSlogix 500. Choose the version you are working with. Create 3 runs with input switches. Let's see the sequencers of AB. The circled instructions are the sequencers of AB. To understand how sequencers work, place them as output in the rungs. Defining SQL or sequential load parameters. N7:0 is the pointer to the destination where data sequentially loads. And N7:10 be the source of data to be loaded. Define control register in the length. Moving to sequential out, which is the reverse of sequential load. Sometimes we may be required not to move out all of the data. In such cases, mask can be used. After setting parameters of SQO, move to sequential compare, which is much of a compare instruction. Similarly, defining the parameters of SQC. Downloading and running the program. To see what happens, the integer file can be viewed. The value to be loaded is placed in N7:10, which is the source. The first address of the file points to next address where the data is loaded. This continues until the next toggle. With the next toggle, position increments and loading takes place at next address. When position equals length, the done bit is energized. Moving to sequential out, which is the reverse of sequential load. From the file which is pointed from N7 to 0 is outed to N7:11, which is the given destination. With each low to high pulse, position increments and sequential output is realized. With further low to high pulse, the position restarts from first position. Now, let's see how sequential compare works. The value to be compared is placed in source, which is N7:12 in this program. With each low to high pulse, the position increments and the value is compared with source value. Here the source value is found at second position and found bit is made to its high value. And this is how the sequencers of AB works. Move instruction can be used to take out from where the value is found. The position bit of control register used in SQC is used for taking out the location. move operation should take place while the found bit is energized, so setting it as the input coil. See, when the value is found, the position where it is found is moved to another register. I hope you understand how to deal with the sequencers of A, B, and use them while programming.